Hello and welcome to the Fixit Shed. This is part 4 of my rebuilding the carburetor for my 2002 Honda Rebel CX250. So in part 3 we got the carburetor reassembled. Now it's time to get it back in the bike and test it out. Alright, let's try and get this carburetor back in. First I want to fit it into the air cleaner connecting tube. Then I want to line it up with the studs on the intake. Alright, that's back in. Alright, I'm just going to put these nuts on kind of loosely for now. Now we need to reseat the air cleaner connecting tube in the airbox. I did buy a new air filter. I'll put a link in the description. I just need to tuck away these wires and hoses. Now I need to install the starter valve, which you might refer to as a choke. It's not actually a choke, it's a fuel bypass that allows more fuel to go in through the carburetor. Now we need to reinstall this bracket. Now it's time to fully tighten the nuts on the intake. Alright, so now we want to tighten up this hose clamp on this side. Alright, that seems pretty good. So we need to reconnect the throttle. What do we do? We did this side last, so we'll do this side first. Alright. And now we can put this side on. That's in. Now we need the screws. Alright. Now we can reattach the throttle cable in here. the bike is running great now. I will put links in the descriptions for all of the parts that I bought for it. Also, if you enjoyed this video, I'm going to create a playlist of all the videos that I make about this bike, and I'm going to put that right here. Please check those out. Thanks for watching. Take care.